Okay, I would like to repeat this problem, except that the approach that I'm going to take is the uh, uh, copy and paste special. Okay, and the first few steps are the same. And if you feel that you don't feel comfortable with this approach, just go ahead and use the first one that I presented. All right, let's insert our first part, insert a new part in there. I'm going to call this thing the yellow part, properties, yellow, and yellow. And let's make it. Double click on that. On a convenient plane, on that vertical plane, I will sketch. These steps are identical to the previous video. Let me see, cancel that first of all. Okay, so there. And put dimensions so that we can control the parameters that we want. Okay, so dimension, this is going to be H, this is going to be R, and the angle between these two is going to be what is going to be alpha later on. Exit, and then we shaft this. Let's for now say 45 degrees, and we shaft it about Z-axis. Okay. All right. Let me. Yeah. There we are. Okay. Let me change the color of that. Properties. Graphics. Color. There's my yellow part. Okay. Now we're going to insert our second part. Insert a new part in there. Then this is going to be our gray part. Properties, gray, oops, gray. All right, let's make it. Now, this sketch is exactly what I had here, exactly this. So that being the case, I will copy this, I will copy that, and down here I'm going to say special paste. Special paste, as a result with link, and it's this one. Notice that you cannot get into the sketch, you cannot change it from here, because this was a paste special of that. I can always go there and change that, but I cannot do it here. Okay, let's shaft this. Shaft that sketch. Now, this was 45 degrees, so it's going to be 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45. And the direction is, in fact, correct, and about the Z-axis. And there we are. Okay. All right. So, in fact, we can check this. For example, if I go here, and or let's actually do something here. Let me go to that original sketch and change this thing to maybe 2. Okay. Exit and update the assembly. There, you can see everything resizes correctly because I did a paste special, and when I change the dimensions in the original sketch, this is going to change. Now we're going to do our parameters. So make sure you're at the assembly level, and we are. So we're going to go to f of x. Let's see now, parameters, no parameters. One of them is going to be h, and the value of it, let's for now give it 2. Another one is going to be R. That's going to be the radius of the base. I'm going to make it also, also 2. Apply. And now 2 of the type angle. I don't want this. Let me remove that. Delete this parameter. Okay, I have the other 2. Let's check. Yeah, the other 2 I have. Now this I'm going to change it to angle. And first one is going to be called alpha. Alpha. And the angle, I'll make it 30 degrees. Another one is going to be beta, which for now is 45 degrees, but it doesn't matter. I'll make it 45. You're going to be able to change that. Apply. Okay, now we go here. And if you click, let me hide this grayish one. If you click on this, all the dimensions associated with the yellow one is going to show up. For example, this is add the formula equal to R. This height, add the formula equal to H. This angle, add the formula equal to alpha. And this is the swept angle. Right now it's 45, you can see that. Add the formula, rename parameter equal to beta. Now if I hide this and get the gray one, the only thing that changes here is that swept angle. So this is the swept angle right here, which is right there. First angle, I want first angle right there. This is, I want the one that is 445. Is this the one? Right here? Yeah. Let me see now. I just want the gray piece. There we are. Where is the angle of swept? There. This is the angle. This is add a formula equal to 360 degrees. 360 degrees minus beta. Minus beta. Degrees minus beta. What did I do here? Yes, degree minus 360 degrees minus beta. Should be okay. All right. All right. Let's bring this guy in the front. And let's start changing our parameters. These are the formulas. This is the parameter. So let's start with the angle alpha. Angle alpha is that angle on the top. Let's make this thing 15. Looks good. Beta, let's make it 30. Apply. Looks good. H is the height. We make it 4. Alright, and R is the radius of the base. Let me make it bigger. 6. So it is working. Alright. Notice that we saved a few steps, but you may not find this thing worth it, because you have to practice with special paste and make sure that you don't make serious mistakes. What I was going to say was, right, that's pretty much